we haven't finished packing. We just got everything ready on the bed, as you can see. So we are going to do packing with a two small bags. So let's see how it's gonna work out. So heading to the mountains. What am I meet? It's supposed to be summer, but apparently there is snow still in the mountains. So I need 2 new items. One of them is this. This is an ice axe. How does it gonna use? There's no idea. So I just know this one is supposed to the ice and it's gonna hold you somehow, but I'm gonna figure this out. Ice axe. Dun, 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 dun. I think so. Whatever. So this one is an ice. What's this called again? The crampons and crampons. I have the crampons. So basically, these crampons have the very sharp thing. Never really used it before, but we will see how this is gonna work. Stick somehow to these shoes. I'll figure out how to put on the crampons later. Oh well, we'll see what happens. See ya. Heading out, here we go. We're at the camper van, so we are moving out and we are driving out in the night. So I know it's night, but it's already 8:45. It's summer. That's a good thing about summer. You have daylight until like quite late in the day. So we'll be heading out. It takes about 3 hours to 4 hours depending on how long, because camper van takes a little bit longer time. And then we'll find a place to park and we will be good to go for tomorrow morning for the adventure hike. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated right after this. Ooh, that's my drive over there. Good morning. We are heading up to Bedin, Bivouac Bedin right now. It's already 10 o'clock. It's quite late. We arrived here quite late as well, and we will be starting our trek. And yesterday was a very heavy rain. So
yay!
hey, we have almost walked an hour now, and there is a waterfall at the back. We're still far away from the top at this moment in time, and hopefully the weather will stay like so. Then we will have a really nice hike up. We are currently stuck at some point. And because it was destroyed quite badly by, I think there was a big storms before this, and it was just covered all the tracks, and then we are really figuring out where the tracks are. So that's Manu at the back trying to figure it out, and basically we are walking through all these rocks, which is something like like so. So we're basically walking all these rocks. I sprained down as well. We finally found our way back trail again. We found that there's a kind of a safety line set up by some of the climbers, which is really appreciative. Thank you so much for it, whoever you are. So basically these are the line that looks like so. So they set it up really nice that you can at the what do you call it again?
Malga Ambrosoni.
Malga Ambrose, whatever. So yeah, it's a rest point. It's about 1,500 meters. We still have about 600 meters to go. Maybe about 2-3 hours to go. And currently we're having a little bit of our lunch. It's like a tuna salad, and so take out your own trash kind of thing. So it's been really beautiful here. There's still snow up there. It's really cold. You can see I'm all wrapped up. The wind is really strong. I'm not sure if you can hear it from the camera or not. But yeah, and I've been really slow, and thanks Manu for waiting for me as well. So it's gonna be fun. This is the part where it is really steep, and as you can see, even though it's summer, it is full of ice. So I think we have to use our crampons, then put it on, and I'll figure out how to put it on now. We are just halfway on the super vertical. We are still on ice. As you can see, we came all the way from the ice, and now it's more ice. Last 200 plus meters has been so tough because it's so vertical, and now I was told we have to go through that super steep canyon, which I'm not sure how long I will take, but oh my god. It's fun, but at the same time it's so tiring. Oh my goodness.
It doesn't look like steep from the camera.
It's very steep.
The canyon is coming. Use the ice axe? Yes. Small, very small steps.
There's all snow behind me. There's a very steep angle over there. I think I'm gonna take another route to go up. Oh my god. Using the ice axe is not easy, and it is super steep, and it is pretty scary, I have to say. So yeah, I hope I really get there soon. I'm still very thankful for the good weather. So let's check out what Manu is doing. It might not look like it, but it is extremely vertical.
It is.
Climb all the way from down there, way there. Super windy now, and the sun is coming, thank God, again. So I'm just looking for Manu. I don't know where he is. He's going for the super steep route. Hopefully he'll be fine. Hey! So he will be there. Oh, we found him. See? He's right there on the blue shirt. Yeah. You have to, I think, you have to very slowly come down. Manu doing some crazy shits again. We're almost there. I can't wait to get there for a nice coffee. It's pretty cloudy, so
Ricordiamo, Vittoriano, love it. Ah, for sure you are. Me too. Yeah, I see ya. Finally.
That's the Bivouac Bedin, which is one of the most amazing bivouac in Dolomites. Let's go inside and check it out. Wow, look at that. They have tables and they have some food left over by some people. I would assume so. Check that out. They have beds. Like exactly what? They have 9 beds. And check out, there's a window view. Such a beautiful window view out there. Woo! I finally settled down, making myself warm, and a cup of coffee that we made. We brought our own stove so we can cook some really nice coffee. So which is really nice. And I've been so thankful when I came up here because the Mother Nature has been really nice with the weather and everything. So it was so cool. And currently I'm not sure if you can even see it. It's raining outside right now after we reach. So I'm so glad that we don't have to walk in the snow with the crampons in the rain. So oh my god, thank you. Okay, thank you for that. So really thankful for that one. So, and I was just don't know what else to say, but I'm so, yeah. Lentils and ham.
Boom. But it's fucking cold.
Morning breakfast, having some soup. It's still really foggy outside, so can't really do anything but just eat, I guess. It's potato soup, so it's gonna give us some energy. Hopefully in less than an hour it's gonna the fog's gonna go away and we're gonna start tracking, because it has been very playful with us. It clears up a bit and then the fog came back, clears up, the fog came back, so we can't really go anywhere at this point in time. Yeah, hoping for the best and just pray for good weather. Hey, it's still foggy, but at least it's been clearing up a bit over there, so we can see some mountains, but that's not exactly where we're going. So where we're going is still very foggy at the other end, so hopefully it's gonna be clear up soon, then we can make a move, but at least you can see sky is finally clearing up, so we decided to make a move. It's like almost 1 o'clock, so let's do it then. Let's go for some packing and we will be getting ready to move.
All good?
Yeah.
Bye bye Bivouac.
Bye bye Bivouac. Let's hit the road. We reached the peak. 360 view of mountains. The sun finally cleared up the clouds, which is awesome. This is very rewarding. Manu, say hi.
Hello. Okay, remember from here. That's the bivouac. And this is Carmen.
What a view! Hard climb, but then it's really nice view.
Hello.
We finally made it back. We were lost because the trail was so not clear because of from the storm last time, so the track was quite destroyed, and we tried to follow the track as much as we can, but it's still, we were lost. We were by the cliffs, and we were wondering if we can make it back on time. And we made it on time, and honestly speaking, I love summer. It is now 8:10 and it is still bright. If it's not for summer, we would not have made it in the bright daylight. So yay to victory and yay.
We made it.
Why can't I see you? Yeah, yay! I can finally rest my toes.